Hello my beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I want to teach you step by step how to make aloe vera soap at home using soap scraps. So the first thing to do is to soak our aloe vera leaves in water so that we'll remove aloe, which is the yellow substance that can cause allergies or itching of the skin. So without any further ado, let's get to it. After scraping and packaging my soaps, I make the scraps into soap bars for my own use. They are a mixture of charcoal soap, moringa soap, rosemary and rice soap, and many more. This soap gets the job done from cleansing to moisturizing your scalp, hair, and skin. Aloe vera soothes the scalp, aids sleep, helps with dryness and itchiness, and it also supports fresher and cleaner feel. Neem leaves fight dandruff, scalp itching and dryness. They also stop hair fall and hair breakage. Cloves boost circulation, encouraging hair growth and leave your hair and scalp feeling fresh. Fenugreek seeds are popular for reducing hair breakage and hair shedding. They add sleep and shine and can also help with hair growth. Now we are going to blend our aloe vera, and after blending we sieve to remove the chaff. Then add the neem leaves, cloves and fenugreek seeds and boil on low heat for about 10 minutes. Our soap is ready for use, guys. Are you ready to make this aloe vera soap? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and stay healthy. Bye.